this is Santej Kalada from Kalada Academy. So today I want to introduce you to a free tool called Segment Anything Tool. It's a free tool by Meta. So first of all, let me tell you what this tool will be able to do. See, this tool will be able to edit video, so edit elements in a video, okay, for completely free. I'll explain with an example so that it would be much easier for you to understand. Let's say that you have a video of a player playing football. So he might be tossing the ball and playing. And let's say that you want to edit out that football or replace that football with something else in the video. See, if it is an image, if you want to replace a particular element in an image and all, it's kind of easy. But replacing it in a video, it's kind of like a difficult task. It has to be done on a frame by frame basis. So even if it is like maybe a 5-minute video, also if you are editing it frame by frame, it might take you some 3 to 5 hours of time. So let me quickly show you how this tool can help you. Anyway, I'll give a link to this particular tool in the comment section below. So just go to this particular website and click on try it now. And it will be loading. It might take hardly some 5 to 10 seconds time. So we have a video of a player playing football. In fact, I'll play the video and show first. See here. Playing with the ball. See, the ball is keeping on bouncing. So let's say that in this particular video, I want to replace this ball with something else. And one thing I want to make it clear right away is that, see, you're not limited to this particular video. If you want, you can click here and change the video. See, there are tons of videos available here if you want to test out with this tool. Otherwise, if you want, you can also upload any of your video. Anyway, just for the sake of this particular example, I'll be taking this demo video only. So what I'll do is, see, first thing you need to do is you need to select the object which you want to replace. So I'll just click on that football. See, once you just click on that object, automatically that object will be selected. See, I do not do any manual selection at all. Once I just clicked on football, Meta understood what I want to replace is this football only. And if you want to do it manually, you can use these options. And once you have selected your object, in my case the football is selected properly, I can just click on track objects. So the tracking process, again 1 to 5 seconds delay would be there. See here, now this football is being tracked properly. Now what I want to do is I want to replace this football with something else. Now I'll click on the next button, and once I click on next button, see here, there are different edits that you can do to the selected object. In our case, the selected object is this football. Now, let's say that I want to erase this football. See, now that football is gone. If I want to add a gradient to that football, yes. If I want to add a pixelate, see, this is something that would be very useful. You might have seen in interviews and all. In the video, the particular person's face, it is not viewable. It will be kind of like pixelated. So that and all, like normal cases, you have to edit it frame by frame. But using this tool, see, this edits are very easy. And for each of this tool, there are different options available. For example, I'll just show with the emoji. See, once I click on emoji, that football is replaced with an emoji. Now, if I want to select another emoji, just click on this emoji once more. So here it has come as 2 out of 6. So I think, yeah, another emoji has come. Now, if I replace, see, another emoji has come. Okay. So next burst option. See, this is the burst option in it. Now, if I want to see another variation, I'll just click on burst again and see there is another variation. Now, if I want to go back to the original one, see, this is. And again, if I want to erase the background, see, everything in the background is gone. Just the football is being shown now. Now, again, if I just want to outline or if I want to blur the background and focus on the football alone, see, this is something that I can do. If I want to add text, see, this is how I can add text. Okay. And for now, what I'll do is I'll replace it with an emoji. Okay. I'll use this particular emoji. And once you're done with your edits, you can click on the next button and you will have an option to download this particular video. You can just click on the download button and download your video. Or if you want, you can get a link to this video as well. And at present, I was not able to locate a feature where We can replace this football with any object that we want. But from what I read, I feel that that feature is coming soon. So yeah, this is basically everything I want to show in this video, and I'll see you in the future videos. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found this useful. Now, if you want to learn more about how you can use AI to build and grow your business, I have the perfect solution for you. I'm offering a course called Advanced AI Certification Program where I teach working professionals and business people like you build and scale a business using the power of AI. Basically, I'll teach you how you can build an army of AI soldiers who work 24/7 for you. If you are interested in learning more, check out the link in the description.